Hey everybody, Eric Wilson with iSell Health Incorporated. This is video 3 of our series on key considerations when buying life insurance. Today's question was the 4th question in the series: what are accelerated death benefits and how do they work? What accelerated death benefits are, and actually in the state of Illinois all policies come with accelerated benefits, but in many states it's an add-on, is accelerated benefits allow you to access your death benefit once you are in a terminal state. Help you pay for medical bills and expenses, while you're still alive, but you have to be diagnosed with a terminal illness, normally towards the end of your life. So that's what they are. It's kind of like an advance on the death benefit. Now, also what's becoming common that kind of ties into accelerated benefits are what are called living benefits. There are several companies out there, Life of the Southwest being one of them. Midland has it as well. That are called living benefits. Western Reserve Life also. Living benefits are a lot of the life policies that they offer come with what's called critical illness or disability coverage, or even some long-term care benefits or chronic illness. What they are is you can tap into a portion of the death benefit as well for if you have any of those things. For example, a critical illness might be a heart attack or a stroke or cancer. We can access a portion of the benefit, and each policy is written differently. Some of you can access up to 90% of the death benefit. Some of it's up to 50%. It varies on the policy. But if you have a heart attack, stroke, or cancer, you're probably not going to work for a few weeks, and you may have some bills to pay or just need cash flow. You can access part of the death benefit for those conditions. Disability, the same thing, and that's not available in every state as well. But on some policies, if you become disabled and you can't work, there might be a 90-day waiting period before you can access it. You can access, a portion of the death benefit for becoming disabled. And of course, there's chronic illness, which is very similar to long-term care. If you can't do 2 of the 6 daily living necessities, you can access a portion of it for long-term care benefits. It makes a lot of sense when you look at long-term care, especially. Long-term care can be an expensive benefit that you may or may not ever need. Sometimes it makes sense to purchase, sometimes it doesn't. It depends on the family. But if you're somebody who is maybe 45 years old, to purchase long-term care, it makes sense from a cost side of things because it's cheaper to buy when you're 45 than it is when you're 65. However, there's no guarantee you're ever going to need it. If you do it in terms of a life insurance policy, one thing under the worst case scenario, eventually, sadly, we're all going to leave this earth and all pass away. So at least at that point, you can capitalize on at least a portion of the benefit, and if you end up becoming either disabled or a chronic illness, you can access the benefit then. So it's a way to get more coverage for your dollar. So sometimes those things make sense. So that's just a quick 2-3 minutes on what accelerated benefits are, as well as what a lot of policies now have expanded on accelerated benefits and what are called living benefits. Eric Wilson, www.isellhealth.com. Again, all these questions are on my blog at www.isellhealth.com. Have a great day. Bye.